Loading ribbon in the T600 is easy. Open the lid by pulling forward on the blue levers located on each side of the printer and raising the cover. There is a label on the inside of the lid that illustrates the correct orientation for the media. To load labels, use your thumb to separate the media holder and place the media inside. Place the media under the guides and use the blue wheel on the right side to adjust the width. To load ribbon, open the ribbon window on top by gently pushing up. Attach the ribbon leader to the empty core that came with the printer. Push the right side of the core onto the spindle, then insert the left side, taking special care to line up the notches on the core with the notches on the printer. Pull the ribbon down and repeat the procedure for the bottom core. Once the ribbon is installed, use the blue gear on the left to tighten the ribbon. Close the ribbon window. Gently push in on the blue hinge and close the lid. To auto-calibrate the new label, press on the green menu button. Using the arrow key, scroll down. Select the sensor icon by pushing the blue select button. Push the blue button again to select auto-calibration. Use the arrow key to select your media type. In this case, it's gap sensor. Make your selection by pushing the blue button again. Use the green back button to get back to the main menu and press the blue button to feed the labels.